Hello, amazing families. My name is Sheila Lynch Williams, class of '85, and I'm Director of Admissions for St. Patrick St. Vincent Catholic High School. I just wanted to let you know that the admissions season is open. There are many opportunities for you to get to know our exceptional community. Here's what's happening in September and October. Applications are now being accepted. If you're ready to start the admissions process for your 8th grade child or a transfer student, apply through our website by using the Apply Now button. Do you need more information before applying, or are you still in the 6th or 7th grade right now? Join our interest list to get frequent updates on admission events and current happenings at SPSV. This year, we have a new event for our Solano County Catholic cluster schools, specifically St. Basil's, St. Catherine's, St. Dominic's, St. Vincent Ferrer, Holy Spirit, and Notre Dame. We will host an 8th grade mass and tour of our school for each class. The dates have been scheduled with your current principals, and you will receive an invite from SPSV via email. If you do not see the email, please check your spam folder. Invites will be sent by Friday, September 25th. Another new admissions season opportunity is our first Wednesday admission series via Zoom. The next virtual session will be held on Wednesday, October 7th at 7 p.m. The link will be sent to all on the interest list through our admissions e-newsletter. This month will feature our principal, Mrs. Martin, mathematics teacher and link crew coordinator, Mr. Kyle Bates, SPSV, class of 14, and veteran teacher in our English and Spanish departments, plus a class moderator, Mrs. Nora Rogers. Additionally, you'll hear from an SPSV parent and graduate, Mrs. Sybil Hilario Ignacio, SPSV 95, and a current sophomore student leader. Open House 2020 will be held on October 25th from 12 to 3. Our event will be on campus, but guests will need to be scheduled for time of arrival. Space is limited, so sign up soon at admissions@spsv.org or 707-644-4425, extension 435. We will be back on campus as soon as it is safe, but most teachers and staff are here now. If you would like a private tour, please email admissions@spsv.org to schedule. We are a caring, academically challenging school who welcome and protect our students while getting them ready for the next level. This is our 150th year of Catholic education in the greater Solano County. Please add us to your September and October calendar. You'll be glad you did.